There's a calendar in Fusion, and each of the events that are recorded in the calendar have a category assigned to them or an event type. So you can see at a glance that these have a different color icon. If I go into the main calendar, you can see the various calendar items there have a different color, indicating that there's some sort of a different event going on. The ones that are visible to the whole school community have a P for public. So how do I set up my calendar categories? If you log in as admin and go to Manage, Lists and Categories, Calendar Categories. And in here there's a list of the various types of calendar event you might have. All of your calendar categories can be edited. This box is editable text, and this box here is a color code, which can be edited by clicking on a different color here. The text color can also be changed by clicking in this box. Any of these categories can be removed, and if you want to add a new category, type in the details here, add the colors, and save. So that's how to edit your calendar categories on Fusion.